All right, guys, we're over here in Niagara Falls. Today is Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday. I haven't picked up here in years, which is going to be the case for a lot of these loads. I already tarped, as you can see, or I'm in the process of tarping. But it's that refractory product. I can't think of what the heck it's called. It's the big pallets of powder, super sacks of powder, big super sacks of powder. It's I'll remember the name here shortly, but I used to come here quite often. Like I said, it's over here in Niagara Falls. This is going down to the load I did not too long ago. Mel, Arkansas, Blytheville. It's going to that same company there. The new Yamato, something like that. It's a new core steel plant. It's 45,000 pounds, and we're supposed to deliver it on Thursday or on Friday. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna bust my butt and see if I can get it off tomorrow. Fingers crossed. So yeah, that's it for now. Well, we made it. Tarp's held up pretty good. And this phone is pissing me off. Got a little bit of plastic showing. I already pulled on the scale. They told me to pull over here, get the tarps off, and then pull back on the scale. I will definitely not load this towards the front again like I did this time, or let it be loaded like this time. The guy just seemed really miserable. I didn't want to deal with it. I'm not at illegal weights or anything like that. It just rides really crappy like this because of how short the wheelbase is. And I can't really adjust the weight to the back because we don't have sliding tandems. So I need to, if I haul this again, I need to make sure that it's at that 6-inch mark to push it back about half a pallet back, and that would definitely help matters much better. The one other thing I might end up doing, if you look at the frame here, you can see how much it's squatting down. And since we're on flatbed, I think I might be able to get away with making a small adjustment to the leveling valve. Maybe move it up a notch so that it rides a little bit higher. Just have to keep an eye on my height. But we'll see what happens. Once I get empty, I'm gonna see where that puts me for height wise. Actually, I already have it in my thing. I want to see where it's at right now with the weight on it. We'll go from there. But I'm gonna get these tarps off and get it unloaded. Oh man, I hate tarps, especially in this heat. Luckily, they were nice enough to give me a bottle of water. Clean that lens real quick. Sweat from my butt, having the phone in my back pocket. The scale over there said I was 80,000 pounds, or pretty sure it said 60,000, not 80,000, 60,000 pounds. This one here said I was 78,000 pounds, which would be a little bit more accurate. This load is 46,170 pounds, so yeah, I guess we're pushing 78,000. Man, I really need the water. Speed limit 24 miles an hour. Where do these companies come up with this stuff? So I took all the I took the tarps off, I took all the straps off. There's another guy that backed in after I did, and he only had one tarp on. He wasn't even covering the front or the back. So I don't know. I guess he was just, his focus was holding the plastic on, which I believe that's all that is the purpose of having the tarp on. Should come down here to the stop sign. I can't go any further. Turn right. Stop for pedestrians and crosswalk. There is no pedestrians. So anyway, let's see if we catch a quick clip of the guy unloading.